Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by choosing one clear niche that balances demand and what you know. Once chosen, define your audience precisely, age, problems, and common search terms. Next, create a free blog on WordPress. Com or similar and set up a simple homepage. Make sure to draft 5 topic ideas using Google Trends and keyword intent. While you design visuals in Canva, write a strong one-line value proposition. Start publishing your first post this week to build momentum. Once you have a live site, ramp up consistent content. Publish 2 to 3 posts per week with clear headings, examples, and actionable steps. Focus on SEO fundamentals, craft title tags, use headers, and add internal links to keep readers engaged. Simultaneously build an email list with a simple opt-in and one lead magnet. Offer a checklist or short guide. Make sure to promote posts on one social channel and repurpose snippets. Over time, this creates a growth loop. Content drives traffic, traffic builds subscribers. You monetize early with relevant affiliate links and a simple display ad setup. Add a small digital product or paid guide once trust grows. Then scale by launching one paid product and tracking conversions. Use basic A/B tests on headlines and sales copy. If income stalls or traffic drops, audit your top pages for keyword fit and update evergreen posts with fresh data. Make sure to test changes incrementally so you can identify what moves the needle and double down on what works.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.